ENPHO Eyeris1 eye massager with heat and remote, compression Bluetooth and massage gun with heat and cold head. Experience the soothing relief of the ENPHO Eyeris1 eye massager, designed to target acupressure points around the eyes. Enjoy the built-in heating pads, perfect for relieving eye strain, puffiness, and promoting skin elasticity. Control your relaxation with 5 massage modes, easily charged and portable for on-the-go relief. Introducing the powerful ENPHO massage gun, designed for deep tissue relief and muscle fatigue. Built with a premium metal housing and a super powerful brushless motor for high penetration massages. Experience the ultra-silent ergonomics of the deep tissue muscle massage gun, perfect for athletes. Lightweight and easy to grip, this massage gun is perfect for use at home, office, or gym. Rated null stars.